Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Grabe, ang tagal kong nawala dito. I know it's been a while since I last uploaded, but I'm finally back. And I'm really excited to start creating content again. For those who have been here since the beginning, thank you so much for sticking around. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you'll find the content here very helpful. Lalong-lalo na kung isa ka sa mga aspiring work from home, yung mga naghahanap ng mga work from home setup na gusto yung mga permanent job na ganon. So moving forward, we're going to talk about virtual assistants, remote work, online jobs, and practical skills that you can actually use to build your career online. So if you're interested in learning about these things, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next videos. And for today's video, we're starting with the basics. What exactly is a virtual assistant? So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay. All right. Let's get started, guys. So, have you ever heard someone say, I'm a virtual assistant? But you have no idea what that actually means. Maybe you've seen people working from home, helping business owners, managing emails, answering messages, or doing tasks online. And you thought, so what exactly is a virtual assistant? If you're completely new to the VA world, don't worry. In this video, we're going to keep it very simple. I'm going to explain what a virtual assistant is, what the word virtual means, what the word assistant means, and give you a simple example so you can clearly understand what a VA does. Let's start with the basics. So, what is a virtual assistant? A virtual assistant, commonly called a VA, it is a person who provides assistance to a client or business remotely. That's it. In simple words, a virtual assistant is someone who helps a person or business with a task without having to physically work in the same location. Kaya nga siya tinawag na virtual. For example, imagine you own an online business. You have customers to respond to, you have emails to check, you have appointments to organize, you have documents to prepare, and you have many other small tasks that needs to be done. But you don't have enough time to do everything yourself. So you hire someone to help you. That person can work remotely from another location. That person can be your virtual assistant. Okay? So let's break down the term. So, dun muna tayo sa word na virtual. Of course, when we say virtual, we're talking about work that is done remotely or through the internet rather than being physically present in the same office. For example, you could be sitting at home in the Philippines while your client is sitting in the United States. You don't have to be inside their office. You don't even have to be in the same city or same country. You can communicate using online tools such as email, messaging applications, video calls, and other digital platforms. So when we say virtual assistant, the word virtual mainly tells us that the work is being performed remotely. Okay? And how about naman yung assistant? What does assistant mean? I'm sure self-explanatory na lang to, right? I'm sure you already know what an assistant means. But we'll never know, baka merong some visitors na hindi pa nakakaalam. So let's discuss it. So an assistant is someone who helps another person with tasks or responsibilities. Think about a traditional office. A business owner or manager might have an assistant sitting in the office. So the assistant might help organize appointments, prepare documents, answer calls, manage information, or handle other tasks. So the main purpose is to provide support. So a virtual assistant does something similar. The difference is that the assistant works remotely. So you can think of it this way. Assistant, someone who provides support. Virtual, that support is provided remotely. So put them together. Virtual assistant is someone who provides support remotely. Yes. Okay. So another question is that does a VA work for only one person? Not necessarily. A virtual assistant can work with a business owner, an entrepreneur, a company, a team, or sometimes multiple clients. It really depends on the arrangement between the VA and the client. The important thing to understand is that the VA is providing remote assistance to help someone accomplish their work. Okay? And another question is a VA just someone who works from home? Not exactly. This is an important distinction. Working from home and being a virtual assistant are not automatically the same thing. For example, someone could work from home as an accountant, someone else could work from home as a graphic designer, someone could work remotely as a programmer, and another person could work remotely as a virtual assistant. So, working from home describes where you work, virtual assistant describes the type of service or role you provide. So AVA happens to work remotely, but the actual job is providing assistance to a client or business. Okay? So what kind of task can AVA handle? So at this point, you might be wondering, okay, but what kind of assistance are we talking about? So there are many different tasks that a VA can potentially handle. For example, a VA may help with administrative work, communication, scheduling, research, customer support, organization, or other business related tasks. But don't worry about memorizing all of this yet. We're going to discuss the different types of VA work in a separate lesson. So for now, I simply want you to understand the main idea. A VA helps a client or business accomplish tasks remotely. That's the foundation. Okay? So, why do businesses hire VAs? There's one final concept I want you to understand. Businesses hire assistants because they have work that needs to be done. As a business grows, there are more responsibilities. The owner may not have enough time to handle everything alone. So instead of doing every task themselves, they can delegate certain responsibilities to someone who can help. So that person could be a virtual assistant. So a VA isn't simply someone who is looking for an online job. A VA provides a service. You're helping a business owner, entrepreneur, or a company get work done. That is the foundation of the VA profession. So hindi lang siya basta-basta. Okay? All right. So let's do a quick recap what we learned today. So what is a virtual assistant? A virtual assistant or VA is someone who provides assistance remotely. Okay? So virtual assistant means someone who provides remote support to a client, business, entrepreneur, or a team. And remember, a VA isn't simply defined by working from home. The important part is the service and support you provide remotely. Okay? So now that you understand what a virtual assistant actually is, you're ready for the next lesson. So this time, I will be uploading videos as often as I can. And para makatulong na rin sa iba na talagang gustong maging virtual assistant. I understand why. Kasi talaga naman na sa virtual assistant, um, above minimum wage naman talaga ang income dito. Kaya nga, ginusto ko rin siya, pinangarap ko rin na maging virtual assistant. And in of course, in God's provision, I was able to be a virtual assistant. Ayun. So if you're if you're starting your VA journey from zero, make sure you follow this series. Subscribe to the channel, follow me on TikTok, and I'll see you in my next video.